Type 4 hypersensitivity is often called delayed type hypersensitivity as the reaction takes 2 to 3 days to develop. Unlike the other types, it is not antibody-mediated but rather is a type of cell-mediated response. CD4 plus helper T cells recognize antigen in a complex with class II major histocompatibility complex. The antigen-presenting cells in this case are macrophages that secrete IL-12, which stimulates the proliferation of further CD4 plus Th1 cells. CD4 plus T cells secrete IL-2 and interferon gamma, further inducing the release of other Th1 cytokines, thus mediating the immune response. Activated CD8 plus T cells destroy target cells on contact, whereas activated macrophages produce hydrolytic enzymes and, on presentation with certain intracellular pathogens, transform into multinucleated giant cells. Examples: an example of a terabyte infection that came under control. Tuberculosis are engulfed by macrophages after being identified as foreign, but due to a self-preserving mechanism peculiar to TB it is able to block the fusion of the phagosome within which it is existing with the lysosome which would destroy it. So it can continue existing and replicating within the immune cell designed to destroy it. After several weeks, the immune system mechanism as yet unexplained ramps up and, on stimulation with interferon gamma, the macrophages become capable of killing tuberculosis by forming phagolysosomes and nitric oxide radicals. However, unfortunately the hyperactivated macrophages secrete TNF which recruits multiple monocytes into the battle. These cells differentiate into epithelioid histiocytes which wall off the infected cells, but at the cost of significant inflammation and local damage. Some other clinical examples: temporal arteritis, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, symptoms of leprosy, symptoms of tuberculosis, celiac disease, graft versus host disease, chronic transplant rejection. See also, type I hypersensitivity, type 2 hypersensitivity, type 3 hypersensitivity, type V hypersensitivity. References